Hey everyone, I'm here with another layout. I was just trying to fix my camera. This one is, this is the house I rented in Ocala. I was power washing the driveway, and I could write Coco in the driveway, which she just so happened to come walking by. As I was taking pictures, actually, she came walking by. So she got my pictures. And Coco, I'm not giving you any treats. I think she wants a carrot. And then this heart and border at the bottom. Not the wood grain. The wood grain, I think, was what was left over from a previous kit using that paper, because it's a reverse side of another paper, I believe. Let me see if I could see when I glue it. Yeah, that's the, it looks like the watercolor, peachy watercolor paper. So the piece I cut off, and then so I'm going to use it here as a border, and then I'm going to take that branding strip, which I cut off of another piece, and put that over the wood grain. I think she wants a carrot. Give me a minute, Coco, and I'll get you a carrot. Oh, there's Sabrina. She's wanting some attention. She's been like clinging to my side lately. She's like, attention please, attention please. She'll be back. See? She's like waiting on me to pet her. See? Silly girl. She'll talk to me. She's funny. It's hard to believe she's a year old and she's still so tiny. So I'm trying to give her lovin's, and then she'll be like, okay. Oh. And so I wanted to try to use that red and pink polka dotted paper scrap just because it's there. And so this one, when I finished it, I was like, oof, I didn't like it, but I said, oh, I'm done. After about layout number 8 on a kit, I get tired of working with that particular kit, and I'm ready to move on, but I don't want a bunch of stuff going back into my stash. So I'll consider it bring a light with me. It's fine. Alright, so I think I haven't said much about this. So background is Hip Kit Club's Heartfelt Cross My Heart. The blue-green floral pattern is from Pink Fresh Studio Some Days. And then the floral die cuts are Pink Fresh Studio Some Days as well. And then all the other die cuts are Hip Kit Club's Heartfelt. I'm going to use some enamel dots that have been just left over from past kits. So, what's today? Is today Tuesday or Wednesday? Tuesday, okay. I was thinking it was Wednesday. Let's see. I'm gonna try to use that tag. It has love cut out at the bottom, but I don't care. I just want the tag as just a place to put my embellishments. I gotta get some clip here. Not gonna spray you, Theo. Alright. And then my title, I'm gonna use that love is in the so-so is Hip Kit Club's cut file. And I have got to take the fork and scrub my title on it. It's been cleaning and I can scrub it and it's still dirty. Still look, yeah, stuff. It's dirty-ish. Okay. Anyway, those are Hip Kit Club's cut file. And then I use some the chipboard flare, which is Pink Fresh Studio some days. I feel like I could go back to sleep. I don't like cloudy, overcasty days. Like rainy days, no, I don't want them. Okay, white birdies, come back. Eat my bugs out of my yard. There's these white birds. They're small. They're not like a crane, but their beak is like super, super long. And they'll come in the yard and they eat bugs. They sit there and they would just pick, and it's like, bring your friends, because I don't know, there's these bugs and they're like pesky like a mosquito, but I let them land on me and they don't bite. They're not a mosquito. I don't know what they are, but they are annoying. I went to change a head, but I couldn't mow because they were doing my roof and I didn't want to run over any roofing nails, so I wanted to wait till they were done. So I went ahead to change my head and they were all flew up in my face and I was like, no, I'm not even going there because I was going to change our sprinkler head. But anyway, so here's where I put down the flare. And then I'm going to say, love, you are my everything. But it doesn't, I should put love you, you are my everything. But I didn't. It's because I wanted to use the love, which is the cut file, and then you are my everything was a die cut. But I should put a comma there after the love, so it's love, you are my everything. Like I'm calling Coco my love, love. Or I can put my up there, my love, you are my everything. Or hey love, you are my everything. I don't know. And then here's where I put down the enamel dots that are just, see, you see that one is almost all used up. And then I have another one. So anyway, and that will, I think I do ink splatters on this one, and then that, yep, and then to try to help it, because I was not liking the layout at all, and so I thought, well, I'll do ink splatters, put it up, and I'll like it later. So that completes my layout. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.